The continuum transfunctioner. What's up, gang? It's your boy Bubba K, man, and I'm on the ground level with you. And today, we're gonna be changing the alternator. 05 Nissan Sentra, man. Should be an easy job. Let's go.
Alternator. It's probably the alternator. It's probably the alternator. It's probably the alternator. It's probably the alternator.
All right, here we got the continuum transfunctioner.
They've got the continuum transfunctioner! Quick, to my mother's minivan!
So, with most alternators, you know, it's pretty simple. You know, we got two bolts. They're gonna be 14 mil. You got a 9mm tensioner right down here, if you can see it. So you're gonna want to loosen that tensioner. It's a 14 mil bolt on the side up here, and once you loosen both of those, it should give you a little bit of play in this belt. So we'll get the belt off, get some tension off of it, and then we'll get the ground. Boom. This 14 bolt, this bracket here, it's a 12 mil bolt for the power, and then you got one more 14 at the very bottom here, and that's the tricky one. No matter what size socket you got, you can't really fit shit on it, so we just gonna play with it. Take your time and you can get it off, man. Let's do it. So normally when you got a squeaking noise, you know, you just gotta hunt down the sound, figure out what it is. But in this case, squeaky ass alternator. Let's see if it works, right? I actually got that wrong, y'all. Them 12 mils on them rack. Just want to show y'all real quick. I loosened up that bolt on the side. You can't really see it. Let me see if I can get my hand in here. So you don't loosen it up all the way or it'll come off, but you just loosen it up a good little bit. Then hey man, it's just an update from your boy Bubba, man. So I couldn't do it the easy way because my bolt stripped the fuck out. So I had to take this whole little metal encasing off the exhaust manifold And that freed up enough space for me to get my socket in there. So now we get this bolt off. Got it out, y'all. You see all that grease on there? That's where that squeak is coming from. Make sure to put WD-40 on your bolts, y'all, or you're gonna end up taking off all this shroud and shit because you won't be able to get leverage no other way. But we got her out. Just repeat the steps, and y'all will be golden, man. All right, man. So we finally got that new alternator in there. We got no squeak. It's sounding a whole lot fucking better than it did before. I'm on the ground level with y'all, man. I'll see you next time.
Jerk. Yeah,
sure.
that's our continuum transfunctioner.
Well, now it's mine.
Ow.
Nerd.
We're all in the same game, just on different levels. Dealing with the same hell, just got different devils.